Hey, how's it, Wayne?
Yes, lekker.
What's happening?
No.
Look, I'm washing the shop floor.
Is that what you're doing?
Fucking thing is still leaking on the water pump. Hey, how's it, Oaks? And welcome back. And a special welcome to the new subscribers. Welcome, you guys. Happy to have you on board. So, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Div. You spell it D-I-V. And you say it like you would say the first part of the differential of the truck. I'm from Rathlos, South Africa. I run a small one-man shop out here in a forest on a farm in South Africa, where I try and build cool stuff, mostly rusty, and they mostly have wheels on them. So in the previous video, we fired up this 351 Windsor for the first time here on the stand. I want to take it off the stand now, so because we want to arrange a wedding here. I would like to marry the engine to the gearbox so we can stick it into Crackpot. So before I take it off, I think I'm just going to start it up again, run it for a while, just to make sure about that water leak. Nope, I've still got a water drip on the floor there. And if you look carefully, there is a drip of water right there. It's definitely not from the radiator pipe. So I can just suspect that there's a small leak somewhere on the water pump. Well, Wayne, the barefoot mechanic, also said yesterday he suspects it's the water pump. And yeah, my fairy godmother is not around. So it's not the end of the world. We can just pull the water pump off and check it all out. So I'm going to carry on and disconnect the engine so long, so you can get it off the test bench and get ready so that it can get married to that. Yes, lekker. What's happening?
No.
Look, I'm washing the shop floor.
Is that what you're doing?
Fucking thing is still leaking on the water pump.
Yeah, okay.
I fired it up hoping the fairy godmother came to play with. She's not on my side anymore.
No, not this side.
So we're just taking off the radiator. Wayne said, why don't you not do the water pump right now? While the engine is still on the stand. Just easier that way, huh?
Yeah, no, much easier. Than the rest.
I've already washed the shop floor.
With antifreeze.
With antifreeze. Not by design.
Yeah.
Well, we need to take this radiator off anyway. Because this is the one that's going into Crackpot.
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 Okay. Is that her name?
Yep.
Crackpot. How did you come up with that name?
You know, when I started working on this truck, everywhere it was cracked.
Oh, right.
Like the shop mounts were cracked, the chassis was cracked in places. Front end rear, the shop mounts were, I mean the back ones are still going to do
So she earned her name.
Cracks everywhere. And I thought, fuck it, let's call her Crackpot. Where's my glasses? I can't see.
The blind leading the blind.
Don't say that.
A bit of water damage over here, eh?
You see something there?
Yeah, we need to sand that, I think. The scraper won't do that. And then, no, otherwise that's all right.
Free out for Coke.
All right.
You see there, this gasket is in terrible condition, look at that.
Yeah, now it's falling apart.
So it's no wonder the bloody thing is leaking, man. We must clean this up, eh?
Yes.
Scrape it nicely.
At least the impeller looks good.
I think we're just gonna make gaskets.
Yeah. No, the mechanical
I mean,
seal,
we are in
the rest of it looks good.
darkest Africa. Can you imagine? We can find them now, but I mean, it's gonna take a couple of days to get it here.
Much easier and quicker just to make our own.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, it definitely is. Cool. Right. So we want to scrape that clean. And we want to clean out the gunk here.
So just keep putting the paper on a flat surface and then doing this. Ensures it stays nice and flat, eh?
Yes, it gives you a true face.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A lot of muck coming over there, look at the paper. Let's have a look at it. Oh, we're getting there.
No, that's coming.
A
Little more.
Getting tired, man. So give it a look again.
Yeah, let's have a look.
A lot of muck coming off.
Very close, eh? It's almost very near to good enough. But okay, let's go a little longer. We want to try and get a bit more off there.
Yeah, we might go for a long time to get there, but at least that spot there, eh? Yeah, so it's not perfect. But to get it perfect, you'll have to do this until tomorrow.
Until the sun. Yeah.
I think it's good enough.
No, it's,
I mean, we still got the paper
yeah.
and the sealant.
Correct.
But at least it's kind of nice and flat now, and it's good for the most part.
Yeah. No.
You know, to get that perfectly clean means now I have to remove material all the way around. It's gonna really be standing here standing forever.
Yes.
I think it's gonna work. So it's not perfect, Wayne, but it's gonna have to do, eh? I mean, the right thing to do is to get a new plate, but
No.
we're in the forests.
This one will still do fine.
I think it will still do fine.
Gasket paper and a little bit of silicone here and there.
Done the other side as best as we could.
Yeah.
So we need to make a gasket, 2 gaskets. So we've got a little trick going here. So Wayne is tapping away, so you can see how clean and nicely the paper is being cut as he taps. Well, I've got 2 little clamps just holding the paper in place so that it can't move. So when we get to these spots, we'll just move the clamps to the side.
There we go. Alright, and I think we're about at the point where we can move the clamps.
Yes, sir. No problem. Put it right here.
Yeah.
Right, it's made.
Alright, shall we take it off?
Yeah.
Okay. Sticking a little bit. Alright.
And here we have it. One by gasket made in the forest. Looks good to me. You gotta make one more, eh? But that's the easy one. 2 gaskets made for either side of the plate, eh?
Correct, yes. This one actually takes a double gasket.
One goes on
the water pump.
Figure it out like a puzzle. There you go.
Alright.
And then the plate goes on exactly as it is. No, that's the inside. Yeah.
Alright. And
then the last one
will go.
It's like a
Yes.
puzzle. There we go.
Right.
Awesome.
And we are ready to fit.
I think I should go find some of that red sticky shit.
The sealer.
I should just ignore that. But we've decided we're just going to give it a light
a very light film of these.
Form of this on both sides.
Yes.
Cool. Do you need help with that?
Yeah, you can.
Can I get my fingers red as well?
You're welcome to.
I'm a specialist at sticky fingers.
That's sticky fingers.
I love it. Right, I got this red stuff all over me now. Yeah, I just smear it on my fingers. I really don't want it. It's fucking everywhere.
You wanted red fingers. Surface. Okay, then other way around. Yeah.
Yeah, you see, I'm not that good with the puzzles. Here we go.
There we go. All right.
It looks pretty good.
Yeah. Okay.
Can I clean my fingers here now?
Yes, you can.
So can we put this on? Like yay.
Yes.
I'm getting into this puzzle thing, eh?
All right.
Yeah, but we need to put more shit on now, or not? Are we not worried just this side? No, we are worried here. We want
Well,
it
we
here
are.
as well.
Going to, but I don't think we actually need sealer for.
Let's just put a little bit around here.
Yes, Dov. That is
What do you think?
a
Common
good
sense stuff.
That is a good thought. Just to guarantee a seal
There.
by your
That's
water
critical.
port.
Let's just put some below
Yeah.
this one, around
Yeah.
that part, and on this side.
Yeah. Okay.
I'll go look for a lappie.
Cool.
So lappie is an Afrikaans word for rag. But everybody in South Africa says lappie, don't they? Even the English-speaking people.
Yes. Well,
Okay, well, I know my t-shirts are always pretty much rags,
Rags.
aren't they?
right. That's enough.
You cool with that?
Yeah.
So if it leaks, you take it off again, eh?
I will have to. Yes, no doubt.
I'm not going to be part of that picture. That's wrong.
Oh. No, thank you. Yes, you're getting better at the puzzle thing than me.
Yeah,
eh?
I'm good with the puzzle thing.
All right.
And then a little bit more here. Your finger is still red.
Correct.
My fingers are back to black. So we can stick it onto the motor, Wayne.
Yep, we're ready.
Let's do it.
Okay.
You got all those bolts figured out, have you?
We did. Or I believe so. All right.
That looks good.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah,
it's
I think
working.
you got it right. Okay, so it just needs tightening up.
Just need tightening up.
Awesome.
Strictly speaking, you could use a torque wrench and then you would torque them exactly to the setting.
As long as they all like, they say, one click of the elbow bone or something.
That works for us.
With the water pump hopefully sorted, everything's back in place, eh Wayne?
Yeah.
Still need to tighten the alternator, but I'm going to replace this alternator anyway.
And put another fan belt on.
And put another fan belt on. So I think we can take the thing off the stand now.
We ready? We ready?
Let's do it.